Your PC is slower than it should be, and these hidden Windows settings is the reason. Turn them off and your system will instantly feel faster. Windows runs background services and tracking features that quietly eat your CPU, RAM, and disk speed, even when you're doing nothing. Most people never touch this setting, and that's why their PC feels slow. Step 1. Turn off background apps on. First, right-click the Start button and click Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Click the three dots next to apps you don't use. Choose Advanced Options. Scroll to Background App Permissions and set it to Never. Do this for apps like Xbox, ChatGPT, Discord, and any app you don't need running in the background. Step 2. Disable Startup Apps. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Startup Apps. Right-click anything you don't need at startup and click Disable. Keep things like graphics drivers and antivirus enabled. Disable launchers, updaters, and random software you don't use daily. Step 3. Turn off SysMain, Huge Boost. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find SysMain. Double-click it. Click Stop. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. This service constantly uses disk and RAM in the background. Turning it off alone can make old PCs feel way faster. That's it. You just freed CPU, RAM, and disk speed in under 2 minutes. Your PC will boot faster, apps will open quicker, and gaming performance can improve too. If this helped, like the video so more people can speed up their PCs. Subscribe for more Windows and FPS boost tips.